What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you the resource monitor and how to get to it. So if you ever wanted an in-depth viewing of what's going on in your computer and what resources are being used where in your CPU, in your RAM, in your disk, or your network, this is how you can get an in-depth look at it. It looks more old school, but it shows you everything you need. So I'm going to show you how to get to it. So basically you're going to want to get to your task manager, and there's a quicker way of getting to it. Instead of doing Control Alt Delete, just right click on the bottom taskbar here and then select Task Manager, and then you'll be brought up to the task manager. So just go to the Performance tab and you'll see a bunch of different graphs showing you what's going on, what resources are being used where. Let's say this isn't in-depth enough for you and you really want to see what's going on while your computer's being slow. Open resource monitor. So this is where you want to go, where you're going to want to go. English, man. Yeah, so here we go. We have an overview screen first. Let me full screen this so we can get a good look of what's going on. We have on the right hand side here, we have the CPU. We have a graph of it. The disk. So this is my storage, like my hard drive and things like that. And then we have my memory, which is my RAM. And then we have the network, which is just the internet connection. I don't have any browser open right now, so network is just going to be 0, which is fine. But yeah, CPU is your processor. So there is a CPU tab up here, as you can see, and you click on it, and now you can see on the right hand side all of your CPUs within your processor. So I have 8, and you can see 0 to 7, and you see how they're being used at what rate, how much of them. So I have an even distribution-ish among my CPUs. That's a good sign. And then you can even see like in depth to the point where you can see how many threads are being used by each program, which is cool. You can see definitely OBS right here is my biggest resource sucker of my CPU, but hey, that's the only thing I really have open right now. So then we have the memory tab. This is your RAM. This shows you how much of your RAM is being used. It's shown in kilobytes, and it's cool. It shows you each different program. It shows you how much megabytes are available, how many are in use. It gives you a nice breakdown, a nice graph here. Very useful. And then again, we have the disk. And this one's not as exciting. It's just what programs are writing to your hard drive or your solid state. Not as crazy as your CPU or memory, which are actually used to run the programs, right? I'm not going to click on network. I just don't want to show you guys all my network info. So yeah, but that is the resource monitor in Windows. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.